So you might be in a situation where for some reason the Android 16 update that is basically supported on many Android phones out there isn't showing up on your Android phone. Now, number one, this is a very complex situation. You first have to make sure that your phone is supported with Android 16. So go through, find your phone model, and make sure your phone does support it. My Galaxy S21 here from 2021 does not support Android 16 or One UI 8. So this phone probably will not be getting it. But even if this phone got it, let's just say this phone got it, the phone manufacturers are going to have a staggered release of these updates. So just because it is supported on this phone doesn't mean it's getting it right now. It might be getting it at a different date in a different time period. So keep that in mind. Even if the phone is supported, you might have to give it a little bit more time before it eventually comes out. What you can also do is just always double check your internet connection, double check your Wi-Fi connection, double check all of those things. That is going to be one of the easiest ways to go ahead and fix this type of problem, because if you do have this type of issue, all you're going to have to do here is just to go through and double check those connections, because that can also end up fixing the problem for you as well. Now, as always, you can also make your way over into your storage settings of your Android phone. Find whatever storage is, and all you're going to want to do here is just make sure you have enough storage saved on your device to go through and actually use it. So that can be another one of those problems you might run into. So just go through here, double check your storage, and just make sure that's not a problem. And you can always go through and make your way over into your software update panel once again, and try researching, kind of like refreshing it. And you want to see if that ends up fixing it, which for a lot of people, it will end up fixing it for you. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.